Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are traits deeply ingrained in our country's DNA. For many of us who travel this glorious country of ours, we thrive as we engage with and witness its awesome bounty. Unfortunately, many of our brothers and sisters who've helped make all of this possible aren't thriving. Visit HeroSoapCompany.com and place your order using coupon code BADGE at checkout. Not only will you receive a discount, but you'll be helping Badge help our vets.
I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing it.
Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Well, back when I was on the boat, I went to a live stream and because Paivi from Paivi Projects was going to be a special guest. And that live stream is air fryer recipes, Booger 500 US. Well, while we were there, she says once she hits 25 viewers, she was going to do a drawing. Guess who won? Me. So I finally got the package. The package happened to had gotten lost inside the post office. Well, it really wasn't lost. It just got hidden behind a bin. So with that said, now, when I went to get all my packages when I got home, that wasn't there. I contacted Paivi. She contacted Booger 500 US, and they sent me the tracking information. So when I called the post office, they finally told me, they says, you know what? We found it as soon as you left. We tried calling you, but we had to leave a message because there was no answer. That happened while I was out camping with no service. So with that said, I'm going to do a box opening. So be right back and let's do this together. All right? And I'll show you what all I want. Okay, I want you guys to see this. This woman expected it to stay secure. Check this out. It's going to take a bomb to get into here. Nah, I'm only kidding. It's just going to take a very sharp knife. So give me a few minutes to get all that paper off there. Okay, let's see what we got here. First off, got a beautiful little card. It says, Saucy, thank you so much for watching. Congrats again, Booger. Thank you again, Booger. I didn't expect to win it all. Let's see. She sent me this Joe's, now that's good eating fish fry ready. Ooh, some coolie cups. I could have used those while I was camping. Titchin' and YouTube Boogers 500 US. That's what it says on them. That's cute. I like it. Now this is what I've been really waiting on. This t-shirt. Okay, going to give a little secret here. Rumor going around, somebody's saying that I'm a YouTube queen, or I think I am. No, I really don't. But I'm so glad you think I'm such a queen. So now, here's to prove it. Queen AF. And if y'all don't understand what AF means, let me know. Because I'm Queen AF. And then she sent me this. It's a Cajun flip and fry. And what you do is you put your mix in there. You put your fish or your chicken or pork chops or whatever you want to put in there to bread up, shake it up, or flip up and down. And there we go. Thank you again, Booger 500 US. Everybody, you should already have a link up here so to that live stream, and I will also do a link to another one of her videos. I believe she's done something in reference to this, and I will at the end of my videos. And I want to say thank you again to Booger 500 US. Thank you, Paivi, for inviting me from Paivi's Projects, which I'll be linking her as well. And lately I've been winning things that I just never expect to. Alright, people, if you're new to my channel and you want to subscribe, click on that subscription button. Click on that notification bell if you want to see more of these videos. Also, too, here, let me lift this up to where you can see me better. Also, too, click on that like and leave a comment and introduce yourself. And thank you all for supporting my channel. And you all have an awesome, awesome day. I'll either see you on the river, up the river, down the river, or down the road soon. And talk to you later. Bye-bye.